We have in Miss Marites Sistina's work from Mahabang Araw National High School. So our objective is to visit 10 parents of students leading academic monitoring follow-up. Ginawa ko na lang po ang aming student participants ay 20. So for outstanding, at least 13 students will be visited at 13 students. Visited parents conducted with full documentation. And very satisfactory pagka 12 students lang ang na-visit na home visit namin. And then 10 students, satisfactory pag 10 students lang. Unsatisfactory pagka 6 students, and pag 5 students lang ang na-visit for that duration, that would fall under poor performance or what.
Thank you, sir. Dahil dalawang grupo yan, medyo lakasan po yung sigaw pagsabay ng palakpak. Palakpakan po natin yung dalawang grupo.